is a short video which we are bringing to you in unexpected time because these days we have a good opportunity to see something special in the sky. Sis, can you imagine what I'm going to tell our friends?
Yes, these days we will be able to see the International Space Station in the sky with our naked eye. It looks like a fast-moving plane, much higher and traveling thousands of miles per hour faster.
Sis, do you know what is the International Space Station is?
Yes, the International Space Station is the largest spacecraft which orbits the Earth. It is a unique science laboratory which is built in the sky. And the space station is made up by the parts that were collected in space by astronauts. It orbits the Earth at an average altitude of approximately 250 miles. It travels 17,500 miles per hour. This means it orbits the Earth every 90 minutes. NASA is using the space station to learn more about living and working in space. These lessons make it possible to send humans further into space more than before.
Sis, do you know how big the International Space Station is?
The space station approximately bigger than two Boeing 747 jetliners. It is able to support a crew 6 people plus visitors, and it includes laboratories, modules from United States, Europe, Japan and Russia.
So let's move to the video.
The first piece of the International Space Station was launched in November 1998. A Russian rocket launched the Russian Zarya control module. The first Russian modules included basic systems needed for the space station to function, and they also provided living areas for crew members. The modules called nodes connect parts of the station to each other. More pieces were added over the next 2 years before the station was ready for people to live there. In addition to the laboratories where astronauts conduct science research, the space station has many other parts. On the sides of the space station are solar arrays. These arrays collect energy from the sun. They turn sunlight into electricity. Robot arms are attracted outside. The robot arms help to build the space station. They also can move astronauts around outside and control science experiments. Airlocks on the space station are like doors. Astronauts use them to get outside on spacewalks. Airlocks on the space station are like doors. Astronauts use them to go outside on spacewalks. Docking ports are like doors too. The ports allow visiting spacecraft to connect to the space station. New crews and visitors enter the station through the docking ports. Astronauts fly to the space station on the Russian Soyuz. The crew members use the ports to move supplies onto the station. The space station is a home in orbit. People have lived in space every day since the year 2000. The space station's labs are where crew members do research. This research could not be done on Earth. Scientists study what happens to people when they live in space. NASA has learned how to keep a spacecraft working for a long time. These lessons will be important in the future. NASA has a plan to send humans deeper into space than ever before. The space station is one of the first steps. NASA will use lessons from the space station to get astronauts ready for the journey ahead. NASA and its partners from around the world completed construction of the space station in 2011. Okay, now you will see how we can look at the International Space Station with our naked eye.
Yet the time periods which appear in the sky is on the screen.
So hope you all will be able to look at the space station during that relevant time period. If you like to get such information, please subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us.
We will hope to bring such important videos in the future.